Hey everyone, Yogesh here. I take classes for kids and adults. For kids, it goes hip hop and freestyle. For adults, it goes Bollywood and freestyle. Today, I am super excited to share this video with you all because ever since the lockdown happened, many of us were wondering how and what do we do in this lockdown. That is when the online classes started. Now, speaking about the adults batch, I gave them a challenge where they had to dance with their kids and send me a video. And Bhavya, she happened to do her own choreography and she sent me a dance video within the next 4 days. That made me feel so happy. And I immediately decided rather than just taking it on the channel, let me give them a big shout out. This is for Bhavya and Aariana.
आज की शाम लगे पिक्चर का सीन कोई मैं हीरो जैसा और तू हीरोइन कोई स्टोरी कहाँ कहाँ से ओ घूम घाम के आ गई मोशन में आज डूब जाऊं तेरी आंखों के ओशन में स्लो मोशन में आज डूब जाऊं तेरी आंखों के ओशन में स्लो मोशन में
आज की शाम लगे पिक्चर का सीन कोई मैं भी रंगीन लगूं तू भी शौकीन कोई पूरी प्यारिटी है आज मूड में और अपने इमोशन में आजा डूब जाऊं तेरी आंखों के ओशन में स्लो मोशन में आजा डूब जाऊं तेरी आंखों के ओशन में स्लो मोशन में
So yes, that's what I'm talking about. All those lightings and the tumkas and the groovings. Bhavya and Aariana, that was so cool. Anyways, until next time, keep dancing. And for now, hit that subscribe button. Let me see you on the next video.